history to cooking, government to fitness. You can enjoy lifelong learning through UW Green Bay campuses in our area. Jordan is in Green Bay, where you could say he's really stepping into this idea. Looks like he got the rhythm.
Yeah, we're diving into the dancing today, guys. We're having a lot of fun here at the Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary, along with Susan here. And Susan, let's talk about this Lifelong Learning Institute, this program here that people can get involved into. What's this all about?
So Lifelong Learning Institute, a program we're with the Division of Continuing Education and Community Engagement at the university. And it's just a program that people can take classes for continued learning just for the fun of it. So a lot of social interaction, a lot of learning for the fun of it.
Okay. How long have you been doing this?
I've been with the organization for 4.5 years. So just love the people, love my job.
Yeah. And who gets involved with something like this too? Because this is not nighttime classes or anything like that. This is stuff that you do during the daytime, right?
During the daytime, all the classes are during the day. So that lends itself to people that do not work during the day. A lot of retirees, probably 95–98% are retired people. We do have people that do work during the day but have a little bit more flexible schedules, so they break away for 2 hours and take a class. We've been around for 30 years. I should mention that also.
Cool.
So this year's our 30th anniversary for Lifelong Learning Institute.
Okay, so I took a look at some of the fall semester classes too. I couldn't even get through the whole list. There's a ton of them, almost 250 of them, correct?
Almost 250.
Yeah.
Now we have expanded into the Manitowoc and Sheboygan communities, and also up in Marinette. So we have about 135 live in-person classes with about over 50 Zoom classes also. Okay,
so what would you say the most popular classes are? There's got to be a list at the top that people are like, I got to do it, right?
Yep. Well, as you saw, line dancing, but our history classes are wildly popular.
Okay.
So anything World War II classes, the 60s, living history, our government and politics. We have religion classes, health and fitness, a lot of different things. History ranks right up there as one of our most popular.
All right, you got to sign up, guys. It is the fall semester that's coming up soon. Jim here is going to be our instructor today. Jim, what are me and the ladies going to be learning today?
We're going to be doing the old-time rock and roll. So the choreographer of choreography along with old-time rock and roll, we like it.
All right, he gave me some hints before. Let's hit it and show people what this is all about. Love this song. Whoa, I just want to clap. There we go.
All right, he's got the steps down. I am very proud of Jordan for learning this. Ryan is in the studio. He's a little jealous this morning that he's not out there. Good job. All right, we'll see you next half hour with something new. We'll just let him keep dancing.